The number one thing that I like to do is I like to pretend that you have no idea what Creole is. And by you having no idea what Creole is, I'm allowed to say everything about whatever our video topic is on for the day. And so right now our topic obviously is, what is Creole? And I want to answer that again with the understanding of, maybe you've been saying Creole, Creole. Creole is a people group, and it is a mixture of languages from various nations. But it's not the language of the Haitian people. It's not our language. We speak Creole, Krey, accented O-L. This is very important. This is Creole Haitien, Haitian Creole. So in English, if someone were to ask you, what language do the people in Haiti speak? You would say Haitian Creole. But if they were to say to you, how do they say it in Haitian Creole? How do they say it in their own language? That is when you would say Creole. Now, this is very important because we have a lot of healthy pride in our language because this was a language fought for. One of the things about Haitian Creole, or Kreyòl, by which I will be referring to it from here on, Creole is the language of the people. I don't mean the language of the people of Haiti. When I say the language of the people, there's a lot of depth in this meaning. This means that when Haitians were brought here as Africans, right, we did not have understanding of the people who were occupying Haiti. So we were learning French, we were learning Portuguese, we were learning English, we were learning Spanish, and eventually we began to develop our own language based on what we already had from the native tongue from the Congo, Western Africa, and also some native Haitians, I want to say, but we can't really verify that. But also from old French. So when I say French, I don't mean modern today European French and English. I mean old, which means the syntax, the sentence structure is different, and the word meanings carry over differently into Creole, which means we place them differently in the sentence. Brings you back to syntax. Syntax, sentence structure, semantics, word meaning, all from early European. We're talking 18th century, okay? So when I'm saying language of the people, these were slaves, my ancestors. These were slaves who wanted to have a language that no one could understand, but that the Haitians who had been living in Haiti for a while and the new Africans coming in would be able to communicate. So we were bridging all of the languages. Now you have to imagine this. This took some serious skill. So when someone tells you Haitian Creole, Creole, is broken French, you can say with a lot of energy, say it vigorously, that is not true. This is a complete language. We pulled from different languages to create our language, the same way that Latin-based languages pulled from Latin. It is the exact same thing. So we have a complete language. And because this was a language created by slaves, we made it very relational because we were on each other's side. We were communicating. We were in deep relationship with each other because we were trudging along together. We were in this difficult, insufferable situation together. So I always tell people we have no profanity in Haitian Creole. We just don't have it. Now, if you ask a Haitian, hey, do you have bad words in Creole? All Haitians will say, yes. Gloria is telling you, no. I'm telling you no with a lot of confidence. And the reason being, Haitian Creole has no profanity because it's not what we say, it's how we say it. And coming up, you're going to follow a video called the 80%. And that video is going to talk to you about it's not what you say, but it's how you say it. It's how you express it. It's how you move. It's what your hands are doing. So if you're someone sitting down going, I'm going on a missions trip in 3 weeks and I just want to learn how to say some phrases, you need these videos. They're going to help you. I promise you. You are going to convey so much more by speaking like us instead of just speaking to us. If there is a note you want to write down, it's you want to speak like us more than you want to speak to us. Very important because you will be accepted and we will really be able to focus in on what you're saying. So we have words that are French and English that are profanity. We have words in Creole that could be a body part or just a simple little word that it's profanity because of the way we say it and the sentence and the meaning behind what we're saying. But the actual word standing alone can be used in a sentence without meaning something badly. I hope you understand. And when we get to the 80%, I will touch on those. The other thing about Haitian Creole, Haitian Creole, and I will say Creole from the next videos on, is that we basically cannot say this particular word came from the native Indians, native Haitians, or some of the Congo dialect. We don't have a lot of history in searching it because I like to teach people Haitian Creole, it is a written language now, but it wasn't at first, right? Creole was a spoken language. It was a means of secretly communicating with one another so no one could know what we're saying. So we're not writing it at first. And this is why it took until 1987 that the government of Haiti said, we are now going to recognize Creole as a language of the people and not just French. This is huge. 1987. What country do you know that's been around since, for hundreds of years and the language has just been called the actual language of the people in 1987? I'm just saying. This shows you how this is a language fought for. Our freedom was fought for. The language was fought for. And so this is a very important language. This is a tool that you are going to be using to help you reach a people who, for them, for us, the language is everything. Land and language. We love land and we love our language. That's why sometimes we say Kreyòl moi, my Kreyòl. Kreyòl Haïtien, a Haitian's Creole. And this is really very important because I know that a lot of you are deciding, do I want to kind of focus in on French because that's how Haitian people are educated? What you have to understand is these are basically mostly the upper class people who are speaking French at home, who are being educated well in French. But most Haitians, we are being educated in Haiti in French, but didn't come into the classroom knowing French. These children were already at a huge disadvantage. So the success rate is very low because the language of the people is really Creole. So it's a tricky business, being educated in French because we want to say it's going to give them more of a chance, but really it's giving the upper class people more of an edge. And then the people in Haiti who are really struggling and wanting their children to have an excellent education, their kids are being forced into a classroom between ages 3 to 5, not knowing the language they're being taught in. They're not being taught French, they're being taught in French. So yes, I tell everyone, you want to learn Creole if you are building a relationship with Haitians, if you are trying your best to get to know Haitians. The old Haitian poets, like Maurice, they basically fought to make Haitian Creole the official language of Haiti. So right now it's French and it's Haitian Creole. It's both. But technically it's French in schools And it is Kreyòl for all of us. For all of us Haitians, we can go anywhere in Haiti and every single person will speak Kreyòl. We cannot go everywhere in Haiti and most of the people are speaking French. So that tells you something. I want you to know, when someone asks you, what do the people of Haiti speak? We speak Kreyòl, Haitian Creole. And when a Haitian asks you, why are you learning our language? You can say, I want to know the language of the people. So here's what I want you to do for all the videos you watch. When the videos are done, you can do a thumbs up if you get it. If you get it. I want you to be really patient with yourself. I'm going to say this a lot. I want you to be patient with yourself because you are learning a new language. You're learning a language of one people group. And unless you are in Florida, Canada, New York, somewhere, France, where people are speaking Haitian Creole, you are not immersed. And if you're not immersed, you want to take your time to learn and make sure you have it. And you will know that you have it when, after listening to the video, you're confident and you go, I really get this. I'm really getting this right now. And if you feel like you're really getting it, put a thumbs up on the video so you know you've watched it already. You don't need to watch it again. Then download the video for you to own it. And our next video coming up is really great for you because, you know, the more that you are learning Haitian Creole, the more that you are understanding the language, that's the more that you're going to feel like, okay, I'm building a foundation. Now, if you're someone, I'm actually an impatient person, but if you are someone who feels like, I just want to get through this in 20 weeks, you can just go through it really quickly, but you will feel like you're not retaining it, and you'll be one of those people, you're doing a Kreyòl program over and over again, or you're buying another Kreyòl program, and you don't want to do this because this works. This has worked for over 200 people one-on-one before we established it and before we even put it in book form. This works. You want to use the Learn Haitian Creole with Gloria program, but you want to take it slowly. And that's why the next video tells you how to use this program so that it best serves you. Take care. See you in the next video.